good with y'all, man? This is a video I ain't never did before, but we gonna try it out today. I seen people do it with Hellcats and all that, but look, I ain't got no Hellcat, you feel me? I got a Chevy Impala 2007 cat back straight pipe. It sound pretty cool. Like, hold on, listen. It sound cool. It light up the whole block. So if y'all want more of these videos, just let me know, bro. I ain't really gonna edit this out. I'm gonna just let y'all listen to the exhaust and just cruise with it. I don't know where I'm going. Well, actually, I'm gonna just go to Starbucks and then probably cruise to bowling. And then that's about it, bro. I ain't got nothing else to do today. I just be driving at this point. Like, I don't really have nothing to do. I don't be hanging out with nobody for real, so I just drive. Waste gas, waste my money on gas, you feel me? Oh yeah, it's not an SS, bro. It's just an LT, but it's a 3.9 liters, not a 3.5 liter. So you go 3.5, then 3.9, cause it's got 5.7 pistons. I don't really know what that mean, but it sounds more like a V8, but it's a V6. You know what I'm saying? It got 233 horsepower. It ain't a lot, but it's cool to me because I straight piped it, and it seemed to be a little bit more faster. I don't know what it is, but it seems to be a little more faster. You feel me? Usually I be having music playing and shit right there, but I'm gonna let y'all hear the exhaust real quick. I'm gonna let y'all hear it on the street, then I'm gonna catch y'all when we get on the freeway. It ain't really no cars where I be at for real. So it be some, but they go to feds right there. Put this camera down. Hopefully he don't pull out or nothing. If he do, he just tweaking, bro. We good. I ain't never got pulled over for having a loud exhaust, so shit. But I'm not gonna floor it in front of him. Like, you gotta be smart, low key. Only time I ever got pulled over was for like running through a orange light, bro. The orange light, and I got caught doing an 80 and a 71. Like, are you serious right now, bro? But like I was saying, you may catch cars here and there, but right now it's finna start snowing and stuff, so everybody got their cars in the garage. There goes something right there. I don't know. I think it's a Charger, but it's something over there. Like, you may hear something. It's a lot of cars that have exhaust that be like regular looking cars, sort of like mine. I kind of like that though, so I know I ain't the only one out here. I'm gonna just run up this street and I'm gonna catch y'all when we get on the freeway, because that's when I actually be driving. There go my dream car right there, Mustang, bruh. S197. It's crazy. I ain't gonna hit it just yet. I'm just trying to get up this hill first. You know what I'm saying? You gotta check around, see if there's any fans behind you. No, it ain't, so we all good. We all. There's a Challenger behind me too. I love holding the car at this note, bro. I don't know what it is, but the note that I'm holding it at, I love this, bro. And if I'm about to roll my window up for y'all, just in case if it's too windy, but you ain't gonna be able to hear the exhaust as much, I'll show y'all. Y'all see that Challenger behind me? Oh, y'all probably can't even see it. Hold on, I'm gonna roll the window up, we get straight. I'm gonna probably end up rolling it back down though. This would have sounded like with the window up. Hold on, bro. Oh, he bald. He cool. He don't want to race for real. This this time with the window up. Hold up. You can't really hear it. You can hear it like under the car, but you can't really hear it, you feel me? So I just keep it down for real so you can, at least you can hear it back here. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I'm about to go all around her. The thing, I'm not doing it because, bro, I don't know if the feds is over here or not. I usually got a map thing that show it, but I can't keep looking down at my phone. Challenger right behind me. Look, I know y'all know them headlights. He got the SRT bumper. I mean, what's that? I mean, hood. My fault, not bumper. I'm tripping. I'm gonna see if I can get a thumbnail with him. Oh, we about to speed up, bro. Come on. Bro, don't y'all hate people that be speeding up with y'all though? Like, come on now. You know I'm trying to get over, bro. Oh, I'm about to get over right here. Try to get this thumbnail real quick. If we race, he gonna smoke me though, but I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'll race this nigga. If he pull up by me, his window down, oh, he went behind me. Hold on, bro. I know you ain't trying to cut up right now, bro. Damn, y'all seen it though, but he behind me. I was trying to get a roll with him. Y'all see a bridge? Y'all know it. Man, I might not be able to hit it though. Man, I can't even hit the bridge how I want, man. End up giving y'all one more pull right here before we end the video. If you're new, make sure you like, comment. If you're new, subscribe. If y'all want more of these videos, just let me know, bro, and I got y'all. I'm just gonna wait till we straighten up. We gotta make a right and then a left. I might do it right here when we straight. I just don't want to pass no car and it's a fed, so that's why I'm gonna keep playing it safe right now, because I just seen one that passed me on this other street. Alright, I'm gonna do it as soon as we make this turn. I'm gonna give y'all a little one right here. My fault, y'all. This is the last pull. I don't know if we put that last clip in, but this is the last pull right here.